welcome back to my channel. I'm Mia and today I'm going to be filming a Christmas / New Year look. It's just basically nude, glitter eye, glossy skin and a red lip. Perfect for the season. And I posted this on my Instagram a few weeks ago and you all seem to love it, so here I am today filming a tutorial for it. I really hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please remember to like and subscribe. I post every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday at 8:30 PM, so be sure not to miss out. And without further ado, I'm just going to do my eyebrows quickly off camera. If you haven't watched that video already, go watch it now. I'll link it down below and we will get straight into this video. Okay, so I've just done my eyebrows. I did the soap brow today using Soap Brow by Westbound & Co. Carved out with the Ploies base shade 2 as usual. Now, literally, this is the most simple eye look ever. We're going to go into the Mmmmitchel and Beauty Bay palette, and we're just going to go in with a crease brush like this, going into the shade Meh, which is like a mid-tone brown shade, and we are literally just going to be fluffing that in the crease. This is basically, we just put in brown eyeshadows like this colour in the crease, carving it out and then putting silver glitter. It's the most simple look ever, and I only really use this shade. Personally, you don't need more than one shade in the crease really. I suppose you could if you wanted to, but as a simple, quick and easy eye look, this is it. I always like to take a big fluffy brush and just blend it out with a little bit of macaroni and modest, which are slightly lighter shades, and you just want to be blending that right out. And I'm blending this out with a Molly O'Brien Layla brush, just really getting into the concealer because we don't want a harsh white line, so just blending that all the way in. And then going back into that Morphe brush, taking a little bit of Man-Made, just a tiny bit, and just really focusing that in the crease. And I also like to have a little bit of grey in there, just to have that cool tone, like shadow. I think it mixes quite nicely. So you just want to be blending in and out with both of them brushes, because you want a seamless blend, and then repeating the exact same steps on the other eye. Literally it for the eyeshadow. You can do more, it's completely up to you, completely. But for me personally, that is it. Also, I do apologise about my voice once again. I still have a cold. Hopefully it's gone by Christmas, fingers crossed. So now we are about to cut the crease. So I'm taking the Ploies base in shade 2 once again, and I'm taking that on my beloved Bare Minerals Max Coverage Concealer Brush and just taking that lightly. And I just like to do a swipe, do that and create the line for myself. And create that cut crease. But we're doing a half cut crease today, so just tap, remember. And you just want to like drag that out, just like that. It's a little bit of a strange one, but that's all you want to do. And then with the concealer, just sort of drag it out and tap it out to fade. And then what I like to do personally is go back in with the eyeshadow brush that we used earlier and just tap over that to create that nice fade, just like that. Bit of a different look for me, but I quite like it. It like sort of lifts your eye. And then you just want to tap over that concealer to make sure it's nice and smooth. And get really close to the edges to make sure everything's perfect, like that. The last part of this tutorial for the eyes, we are going to go into glitter. And this is just a silver glitter. I got this from the drugstore. It was super cheap, just, I don't know, it doesn't even have the brand name on it. As long as it is a fine glitter, you can do any colour really. I do silver just because I prefer it personally, but you can do any colour you want. And I'm just going to take that on a flat packer brush and just tap it off in the lid, and then just pack that on. Be very generous, wow, because you want to make it stick. And try and get as close to the line as possible without going outside. And then towards the outer corner, what you want to do is just sort of fade it out. And now going into a slightly smaller brush, say this one here from Ploies, and dipping in and just getting in the very inner corners, right up to the edges. Just making sure you're missing no spaces. And then here in the outer corner, you just want to sort of drag it like that. And then just tap here, just to make sure it has like some glitter. As you can see, that is just like a perfect cut crease. And that is it. Now to do the exact same step on the other eye. So now we have got that blended in, we just want to go back into the Mmmmitchel palette and basically just going back in with the exact same shades. So we're going straight in with Me on the same brush and just lightly like fanning that out and sort of joining it up and just bringing that up. And then with a slightly smaller brush, I'm going to take a little pencil brush, going into a little bit of the grey shade, which is called Monday, and a little bit of Me, and just smoking that out slightly. Then I prefer not to use eyeliner over this, so personally what I like to do is take a flat brush like this and dip into the black shade called Mafia, and I just sort of get a brush and wiggle. As you can see, it creates a lovely effect. I just think shadow applies smoother over glitter, so that is literally your eye done today. Done. So I'm not going to be including the face tutorial on camera today, this is just an eye tutorial. You'll see me doing it now, but it'll be sped up, so if you want to go and see a more in-depth tutorial, I'll leave that link down below as well, where I do a full face tutorial for you. So yeah, I'm just going to pop some music on and do my face quickly, and I'll come back for lips. the finished look. And as you saw, I showed you every product I used, and if you missed some of them, everything will be linked down in the description box, so go check that out. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, and like and subscribe and hit the bell to make sure you miss none of my future videos. Like I said, I post every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday at 8:30 PM, so please don't miss that. Come join me and we'll create some more fun things like this. And if you decide to recreate this, please be sure to send me the picture, tag me. All my social media will be linked down below, so contact me through that. And that is it for today. I want to say one big last thank you for watching, and I shall see you all in the next video. Bye guys.
I live inside my own world of make